What's up, everybody? This is Ray from Two and a Half Man Garage. I got a brake light out on the 2016 Nissan Quest. The junk box, driver's side, top right, as you can see here, is out. It's on. It's on. Just waiting for police to pull me over. Oh yeah, 15-pound weight there on the old brake pedal to give me some visibility. And what we're gonna do today, should be a quick one, is replace it out. I went to AutoZone, picked up a couple of bulbs. I'll do both of them at the same time, just so I don't deal with recursion, but yet on the other side. So, all right, let's get to it. Yeah, it's a pretty crappy cold day here today, but nevertheless, it looks like we got two 10 millis right there that we gotta rip off and get ourselves closer to getting to that bulb. There's one. There's two. And then I think, I've never done this one before, but it should, there's probably a couple of clips right in here. So I'm going to put you down, and then I'm going to gently pry out with my hands. I'm not going to use any tools or nothing to dent and or scrape this thing up any more than it already is. Right there. There we go. A little bit of leverage, and voila. And it's that top piece. There we go. There she is. And is she burned out? Oh yeah, you can see it. It's no guts. So let's go ahead and make sure that's a replacement. There we go. One for this side, one for the other side. There we go. This weather sucks. And just as you see, you can line it right up and then twist it. There is a piece, a little piece right there that we got to line up somewhere in there. Ah, there it is. And you'll know it once you get it. Wow, my hands are definitely frozen. All right, there we go, we're in. There it is. All right. Yeah, I'm not too graceful. Before I put it back together, voila, we got our brake light back. And again, I'm gonna do the right-hand side just to not be back out here in a month or two, as they usually tend to fail similar in time. So, all right, very cool. We'll keep this guy here for now. And then as you can see, the pop clips here that I was kind of struggling with. Not kind of, definitely. So I want to slide that one through that, and there we go. Pop that thing right back on. 10 millimeter again. Oh, nice. Okay. Look at all this filth. All right, back on track. Here we go. We're locked in here. You can see exactly where that pin needs to go. Gonna turn counterclockwise. this guy out. He shouldn't be smoked, but we'll get the fresh one in there to stay current with both of them. And again, get this guy in there. You can see, hopefully, there it is, and there's a little lip right there. We got to get that over. Oh, there we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, and then the slide piece. Yeah, it goes on freaking easy. $10mm. All right, let's go get our super cool assistant. We got 1, 2. Let's just make sure the top. And there you have it, folks. 2.5 man garage taillight replacement, Nissan Quest SL 2016. Thanks everybody. Like and subscribe, please, if you like this content. I appreciate it.